Uh, in the problem where you have to analyze the cable, the first step that you are going to do is you are going to draw free body diagram of the entire body first. That means entire cable first. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So in that, now I'm not going to free the body from these supports. Instead, I will show the free body diagram on the body itself. So left hand side, we have hinge support. So how many reactions can it offer? It can offer 2 reactions. So I will show that as either HA and VA, but we have already discussed in the last class that if you have a cable in your hand and it is tied to nail which is driven in the wall, and if you pull that cable at an angle theta, then the reaction that wall is going to offer is going to be also along angle theta. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, you are going to have the reaction in the direction of string AB here, and that reaction I am going to call it as RA. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
And that makes an angle alpha with horizontal. Happy? And we have already
Yes.
calculated this alpha because in the problem we have been given that HB is equal to 1.8 meter. So what is the value of alpha? Tan alpha. Tan alpha is equal to 1.8 divided by 3. So we have already calculated the value of alpha. Can you tell me how much is that?
30.96.
30.96
96.
degree. Is it correct? Tan
Yes,
inverse
sir.
of 1.8 by 3. So this has been already done. Then you are also going to have a reaction here, and that is going to be along string CD. I am going to show that reaction as RD, and it is going to make an angle beta with the horizontal. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what are we going to do first? The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to apply all the 3 equations of equilibrium, all the 3 equations of equilibrium to the entire body. So let us systematically apply all these equations. What will be the intelligent choice? Which equation should we apply first? Summation of moments of all the forces about B equal to 0. Let us apply this equation first. Are you with me? Why? Because if I apply summation of moments of all the forces about A equal to 0, then you are going to have 2 unknowns involved, RD and beta. But if I apply summation of moments of all the forces about B equal to 0, the only unknown that is involved is RA. Do you agree with me, Muskan?
About D. It
About
should be
B.
about D.
Yeah, about D, not B, about D. I am sorry. Are you with me now? So let us apply
Yes, sir.
this equation fast. So can you tell me how does this equation go? What is the moment of this 6 kilonewton? 6 multiplied by 3 plus 4, that is 7, and it is
7.
anti-clockwise, therefore positive. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
This is the first thing. What is the next equation? Tell me. Next component,
10 into
10 into 4. Happy?
4.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then you are going to have RA sine 30.96 and RA cos 30.96. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Its cos component will be seen like this, whereas its vertical component will be seen in this fashion. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Now you have to observe one thing. A and D are at same level, same horizontal level. So therefore, this horizontal component of RA, which is RA cos 30.96, is its line of action is going to pass through point D. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, it is not going to cause any moment. Whereas the sine component of RA is going to cause moment about B, and that moment is going to be clockwise in nature. Are you able to imagine this?
Yes, sir.
And what is the moment? Minus, why? Because it is clockwise, RA sine
Sine
30.96, 30.96 multiplied by, tell me,
10.
multiplied by 10. This is the moment caused by vertical component of RA about D. Can RD cause any moment about D?
No.
No, because its line of action passes through D. So therefore, this has to be equal to 0. So that directly gives me the value of RA. Do you agree with me? So just calculate value of RA and tell me how much it is. RA will be equal to 42 plus 40, this entire thing divided by sine of 30.96. So can you tell me how much is that?
15.94.
Yes, so it turns out to be 15.94 kilonewton, and as it is positive, therefore originally assumed sense of RA is correct, and therefore RA is inclined in this fashion at an angle alpha with the horizontal. Do you agree with me?
Sir, in the denominator, it will be 10 into sine
Yes,
30.96.
yes. 10 into 30.96. So now have you taken care of that 10 while arriving at this value?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So RA is equal to 15.94 kilonewton. So in any of the problems that involves cables, the first thing that you are going to do is you are going to draw free body diagram of entire cable, and you are going to apply all the three equations of equilibrium. We have applied first equation of equilibrium. Now let us apply second equation of equilibrium. So what is second equation? Summation Fy equal to 0, let us say. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So summation Fy equal to 0 is going to yield me what? Ra sine 30.96 and positive. Why? Because it is upward. So I write it as 15.94 sine 30.96. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
96. This is the vertical component of RA. Then minus 6, minus 10. Why? Because these forces are downward. Happy?
Yes, sir.
And what is the next component? Plus, tell me.
RD, RD sine
RD sine beta. Happy?
beta. Yes, sir.
This is equal to, yes, tell me. This is equal to 0. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So therefore I get RD sine beta is equal to, tell me, how much is that? So it will be 10 plus 16 minus 15.94 into sine 30.96. So solve it and tell me the value. What is RD sine beta?
7.8.
RD sine beta is 7.8. Now, let us try to apply summation fx equal to 0. So what does that yield me? Summation fx equal to 0 gives me what? Yes, tell me.
Minus RA. Minus
Ah,
RA cos.
minus RA. But what is RA? RA is 15.94. So I will straight away write that. Minus 15.94 into cos of, tell me,
30.96.
cos of 30.96.
9.
Happy?
Yes, sir.
आगे
Plus
plus
RD
RD cos beta.
cos beta.
Happy? This must be equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
So how much should be RD cos beta? Tell me.
13.67.
13.67.
6.
Of course, unit is going to be kilonewton because sine beta doesn't have any unit. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Sine and cos beta don't have units, therefore this unit is going to be in kilonewton. Now from these two equations, let me call it as 1 and let me call this equation as 2. Can you find out both the quantities, beta and Rd? Yes, easily. If you take the ratio of 1 by 2, means 1 by 2, that is going to give you what? Tell me.
10
Tan
beta
beta,
equals to
tan beta is equal to 7.8 divided by 13.67. Happy?
yes, sir.
So how much is that? Tell me. So therefore that implies what is the value of tan? What is the value of beta? Tell me.
29.71
29.71 degree.
degree.
Ah. And now if I substitute this value here, what do I get as RD? Means substitute this in 1. Equation number 1. That gives me RD equal to. Tell me.
15.74.
15.74 kilonewton. Happy?
Yes.
And it has turned out to be positive. Therefore, originally assumed sense of RD is correct. So RD is inclined at an angle beta with horizontal in this fashion. Happy?
Yes, sir.
So, dekho, the first aim was to calculate both the reactions, though it is not asked in the problem. In problem, you have been asked to calculate reaction at D. Are you with me? So have we calculated reaction at D? Yes, but we have also calculated reaction at A as well. Happy?
Yes, sir.
Unless we calculate reaction at A, it will be difficult to get reaction at D. So what we have done necessarily is applying equations of equilibrium to the entire cable, free body diagram of entire cable first. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Now, what is the next step? So next step now is draw free body diagram. First of all, cut the cable where you know something about the position of a point. For example, do you know the position, deformed position of point B? You already know
Yes, sir.
deformed position of point B. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Happy? So that is HB. So therefore, what you can do is you can give a cut at B. And once you give a cut at B, there are two parts of the body, one on the left hand side, that is AB, and second on the right hand side, BCD. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So you can draw now free body diagram of any one of those parts. तो अब क्या करना है देखो, जहां पे आपको position of a point in the deformed configuration of a cable is known, वहां पे आप कट दीजिए. So that cut will separate the cable into two parts. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Select any one of the part and draw its cut at B, and I'm going to select the left hand side part. So how does the free body diagram look like? Tell me. So cut is given at A. As I'm going to draw free body diagram of left hand side part, I will give cut just right of A. Are you with me? I will give the cut just right of, just right of B. Are you with me, Muskan?
Yes, sir.
Out of HB and HC, we know HB, therefore I have chosen point B and I am going to give a cut at B. If I am going to draw free body diagram of left hand side part of the cable, I will give cut just right to B. If I am going to form a free body diagram of right hand side part of the cable, then I will give cut just left of B. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So right now I am going to draw free body diagram of part to the left hand side of the cut, and therefore I am going to take a cut just right of B, यहाँ पे कट देने वाला. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So this is A, this is B, and here I have given the cut. Happy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now tell me, what is the reaction at A? That reaction is already known to you? Yes, it is already known. What is the value? Value is 15.94 at an angle of 30.96. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So this is 15.94 kilonewton at an angle of 30.96 degree. Happy?
Yes, sir.
And as I have given the cut just right of B, I will be able to see this 6 kilonewton in this pre-bite diagram. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So I have to show that 6 kilonewton. So let me show that. This is 6 kilonewton. Happy?
Yes.
What else will be seen? As you have given a cut here, this portion of portion BC is external to this portion of portion BC. So this portion of part BC, and therefore, and as it can only be in tension, therefore I will have to show tension in string BC like this. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Tension in string part BC. And what is the angle? I will have to write down this angle. I will call it as theta. So can you tell me how much is theta? So just have a look here. This is HB, this is HC. I am talking about this angle. Are you with me? This is theta.
Yes, sir.
So what is tan theta? Tan theta is opposite side. Opposite side is HC minus HB. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
HC minus HB upon 3 मीटर. यही ट्रायंगल जो है मैं यहाँ पे इस व्यू में दिखाता हूँ. How much is this distance? HC minus HB. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
How much is this distance? 3. This is point B. This is point C. This is 3 meter. So what is theta? Tan theta is equal to HC minus HB upon 3. So I am going to write that. Tan theta is equal to HC minus HB upon 3. Happy?
Yes, sir.
This is going to give you the value of theta. Now what are we going to do next? The next thing that we need to do is apply now equation of equilibrium to this part. Happy?
Yes, sir.
So let me apply equation of equilibrium. Which equation of equilibrium? I will take summation of moments of all the forces about A equal to 0. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Summation of moments of all the forces about A equal to 0. If I do that, what do I get? How much is distance between A and B? Tell me, horizontal distance. Horizontal distance between A and B is 3 meter. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
And how much is the vertical distance between A and B? That is HB. But HB is given in the problem as 1.8 meter. Happy? Dekho?
Yes, sir.
HB in the problem, it is given as 1.8 meter. And now, so how do I write this summation of moments of all the forces about A? This 15.94, does it cause any moment about A?
No.
No, because its line of action passes through A. Does this 6 kilonewton cause any moment about A? Yes. How much is the moment?
Yes.
6 multiplied by
Into 3.
3. And what is the sign? Sign is negative. Happy?
Yes, sir.
Now this TBC can be split into two components. One is horizontal and another is vertical. Happy?
Yes, sir.
How much is the horizontal component? TBC cos theta.
cos theta.
So I will write that horizontal component T BC cos theta. Happy?
Yes, sir.
And what is its moment about point A? This multiplied by 1.8. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
And in what is the sense? It is anti-clockwise. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, this is positive. Now, what about this? Tell me.
Minus TBC sine.
No, that component is minus, but we are writing down the sign for now moment. So this component is TBC sine theta, and it is not minus because it is acting downward. It is minus because it produces clockwise moment about A. You said minus on
Yes.
account of its clockwise nature only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then it's correct. So minus TBC sine theta into what is the distance? 3 meter.
3.
Do you agree?
Yes,
This
sir.
has to be equal to 0. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us apply. How many unknowns are involved here? Tell me. Theta and TBC. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now let us apply the second equation of equilibrium. What is second equation of equilibrium? Summation fx has to be equal to 0. Happy?
Yes, sir.
That is going to imply 15.94. 15.94 cos of 30.96, and this is negative because it is in negative x direction. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
This 6 kilonewton doesn't have any horizontal component. This TBC has a horizontal component. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
And that is TBC cos theta. So I will write it as plus TBC cos theta. This has to be equal to 0. Happy?
Yes.
Now, so what do I get? So what will be the value of TBC cos theta? Tell me. TBC cos theta will be equal to
13.69.
13 point,
No, 67. 67.
13.67. Happy? Kilonewton. Plus आया ना?
Yes, sir.
So this is TBC cos theta, which is equal to 13.67. Can I put this value in 1 to get the value of TBC sin theta? Can you tell me the value of TBC sin theta?
-1.44 minus 1.1.
माइनस नहीं, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
1.
1.8 से मल्टीप्लाई किया कि नहीं किया? I don't think you multiplied it by 1.8.
Yeah.
है ना?
Yes.
So tell me what is TBC sin theta?
-2.2.
Yes. So it turns out to be 2.2 kilonewton. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Now same trick. If I take the ratio of TBC sin theta by TBC cos theta, I get tan theta is equal to 2.2 upon 13.67. So can you tell me how much is that? That implies theta is equal to how much?
-9.14.
9.14 degree. That's fine. But what is the value of tan theta? Tan theta is HC minus HB upon 3. So can I equate this to HC minus HB, which is equal to 1.8 by 3? If I equate this, then I will get the value of HC. So can you tell me how much is HC?
$29.22.
No, something is wrong. How can it be 29.22? HC minus 1.8 by 3 is to be equated with 2.2 by 13.67 or tan of 9.14. कितना आ रहा है?
2.28.
So HC turns out to be 2.28 meter. And what is the value of TBC now? So you can substitute this theta in this equation and you can tell me what is the value of TBC.
$13.85. Oh, sorry, 13.85.
13.85 kilonewton.
85 kilonewton.
Do you agree with me? And
Yes,
tensile.
sir.
It has to be tensile. Positive आया तो originally assumed sense is correct and therefore it has to be tensile. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
चलो अब प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट पढ़ते हैं. क्या क्या पूछा है? You need to find out distance HC. HC. Have we done that? Yes. It is 2.28
Yes.
meter. The components of reactions at D. हाँ, तो पूछा क्या है? Components of reactions पूछे हैं. So you will have to give RD cos beta and RD sin beta. Are you with me as an answer? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So that part you do. What the maximum tension in the cable? ऐसे पूछा है. So for finding out maximum tension in the cable, we should be knowing tension in the part AB and tension in the part CD. But we already know the reactions at A and D. And mind you, these reactions along CD and along AB, these are themselves the values of tensions in strings AB and CD. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So what is the value of tension in string AB? It is equal to reaction at A. So I will write down that tension in string part AB has to be equal to reaction at A, and therefore it is going to be equal to 15.94 kilonewton. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So it is 15.94 kilonewton. Tensile, of course, we are calling it as tension, so no need to specify it is tension, but it's okay. And what is the value of tension in T DC, string DC? That is equal to RD. Happy?
Yes, sir.
And इसमें कोई doubt है why it should be equal to RD?
No, sir.
Okay. If doubt is not there, I will not further clarify. Otherwise, I will clarify. It is plus 15.74 kilonewton. 15.74 kilonewton. Therefore, tensile. प्लस है ना तो टेंसाइल. आर यू विथ मी?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. सो टेंशन सबसे ज्यादा कौन से पोर्शन में है? AB is going to exhibit the maximum value of tension. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So maximum tension prevails in segment AB or part AB of the string, AB of the cable. And what is the value? Value is 15.94 kilonewton. So अगर ये string fail होना है तो किस में fail होगा? It will fail in AB rather than its failure in BC and CD because AB carries maximum tension. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this was the first category of problems that we come across in cables where the supports are at equal level. supports are at same elevation. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
And now let us look at the second problem where you have supports at different elevations. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Muskan, can you read the problem statement for me?
The maximum tension in the cable ABCD is 15 kilonewton. Determine A, the distance HB, B, the distance HC.
So knowing that the maximum tension in cable ABCD cannot exceed 15 kilonewton, we are going to determine the value of HB, sorry, distance HB. Where is HB? HB is not marked, is it?
Okay.
So we will only have to mark this HB. So I say this distance is HB. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So this HB and DC needs to be found out based on this condition. So what is the first step? The first step remains same. क्या करना है हमें? We are going to draw free body diagram of the entire cable first. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So now how do we draw free body diagram of entire cable? So for that, चलो. So I'm going to show the reaction RA here along string AB. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
And let us say that that makes an angle of alpha with the horizontal. Happy?
Yes, sir.
And this is RD. And let us say that it makes angle phi, angle beta with the horizontal. Can you tell me how much is tan alpha? Tan alpha will be equal to HB minus 6 divided by 8. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
देखो ये triangle complete करो. If I complete this triangle, then what is this distance? This distance is HB minus 6. Happy?
Yes, sir.
And I need to find out this angle. That alpha is tan alpha is equal to opposite side, that is HB minus 6 upon adjacent side, that is 8 feet. Happy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, let me check if the data is complete. One minute. Eight feet, 8 feet, 8 feet, 8 feet. Okay. Just give me a minute. Let me cross verify this problem statement. Uh, there is a correction in problem statement. I copied it for the previous problem. So that's why there was a problem. Now, Muskan, can you read the problem statement once again?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
If DC is 8 feet,
Huh.
determine A, the reaction at A, B,
Yeah.
reaction at E.
Yes. So we have to determine reaction at A and E, knowing that the value of DC is 8 feet. Are you with me? This HB now is not required. Anyway, that doesn't matter. Even if we write it that way, it's given as 8 feet. Are you with me? You have to understand that this is the equilibrium configuration of this string. After hanging 300 pound, 200 pound and 300 pound weights, the string is going to take this shape. So it is the deformed and equilibrium configuration. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the first step? As I said, the first thing that we're going to do is apply summation of moments of all the forces. Let us say about E equal to 0. So we are going to first apply equations of equilibrium to the free body diagram of entire body, entire cable. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So I have drawn free body diagram of entire cable, and now let us apply this equation. So what is the moment of this 300 pound force? 300 multiplied by 24. Do you agree with me about E?
Yes, sir.
And that is positive because it is causing anti-clockwise movement. Now what is the moment of this 200 pound about E? Tell me. Plus 200
200 into 60
into 60. Yeah. What is the moment of this 300? Plus 300 into 8.
into.
Do you agree with me? And now this
Yes,
array, I
sir.
am going to divide it into two components. One component is going to be horizontal. It looks something like this. Another component is going to be vertical. So what is the horizontal component of RA? Can you tell me? RA cos alpha. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
And where does it act? It acts at A. So if towards left component of RA, that is horizontal component of RA, what kind of moment does it produce about E? जरा देखो.
Clockwise.
This is E and this is A. So if I horizontal component is going to produce clockwise movement at E. So therefore I am going to give negative sign. And what is its moment? RA cos alpha multiplied by, tell
Into
me how much? Into 6
6.
feet. Vertical distance between A and E. So into 6. Happy?
Yes, sir.
Now I will maintain the color code. So vertical component I will write in blue. What is the vertical component of RA? Plus RA sine alpha. Happy? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yeah. And how much and what kind of movement does it cause about E? It causes clockwise movement.
Negative.
So negative. And what is the value? 1, 2, 3, 4. So into 32. So I have to change this sign to -1. Happy?
Yes, sir.
So minus RA sine alpha into 32. This has to be equal to 0. This is my equation number 1. Happy?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Now let us go for equation number 2. What is equation number 2? Now I am going to apply summation fx equal to 0. What does that give me? Tell me. RA minus RA cos alpha plus RD cos beta. Happy?
Yes, sir.
Equal to 0. This is the second equation that I get. Happy?
Yes, sir.
And now what is the third equation that we are going to get? The third equation is summation Fy equal to 0. This implies what? Chalo. Yes, tell me.
Plus RA sine alpha
Plus RA sine alpha. Yes,
minus
go ahead.
300
Minus 300.
minus 200
Minus 200. Minus 300.
minus
Plus RD sine
RD
alpha.
sine
RD sine beta.
beta.
Sine beta is equal to 0. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
This is equation, no, let us simplify this equation further. So what do I get? RA sine alpha, RA sine alpha plus RD sine beta is equal to 800. Happy?
Yes, sir.
This is equation number 3. I hope you have understood this. Now, how many unknowns
Yes,
are
sir.
we dealing with? We are dealing with 4 unknowns. कौन से है?
Four.
RA, alpha, RD and beta. Do you agree with me? These are the 4
Yes, sir.
unknowns that we are going to deal with. So if we are going to deal with 4 unknowns, the question is how many equations do you require? You require 4 equations. Do you have 4 equations? No, we only have 3 equations.
Three.
So we need one extra equation to be formulated by the extra information given in the problem. What is the information given? DC is equal to 8 feet. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So DC equal to 8 feet is the information given in the problem that will help us to cast one more equation in the same unknowns. Happy?
Yes, sir.
चलो तो मैंने क्या बताया था नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज वी आर गोइंग टू गिव द कट एट सी व्हाई बिकॉज वी नो समथिंग अबाउट डीसी आर यू विथ मी
Yes, sir.
so next thing that we do is we give cut at C and we draw free body diagram of either left hand side part or right hand side part of the cable. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me which part should I prefer?
Right hand side. Hello, sir.
Hello, am I audible? Muskan, am I
Yes,
audible?
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
sorry, there was some problem at my end. No, let me start. Oh, it's already recording. So where were we? So now question is, I'm going to give the cut at C for sure, but which part should I select for drawing free body diagram? Should I select the left hand side part or right hand side part? Tell me.
The side which includes E,
The side which includes
C, D, E.
C, D, E.
Right
And
hand side.
why do you think so? Now जरा देखो, the first equation that we have written that moment equation. We took the moment about E. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So why did we took moment about? Why did we take moment about E? Because we wanted moment of RD and beta to vanish. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, uh, we wanted reaction at A and alpha to come in picture in this equation. समझ में आ रहा है? So
Yes,
therefore,
sir.
now we should stick to the left hand side part of this C. पहले अगर आपने इक्वेशन मोमेंट अबाउट ए लिया होता, so that means the moment of RA would have vanished and you would that equation would involve RD and beta. In that case, we would have chosen the right hand side. Are you understanding the argument?
Yes, sir.
So therefore now I am going to give a cut at C and I am going to consider free body diagram of left hand side part. So I will give cut just right of C. So now I am going to draw the free body diagram of portion ABC. Happy?
Sir, I cannot see your screen.
Oh, you are not able to see my screen. Okay, 1 minute. And now is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So as I said, at the beginning we took moment about E. Therefore, moment of RD. Okay, I should have called it as RE. Let it be now. Let us continue with the notation RD. But moment of RD or RE should vanish. Therefore, हमने moment किसके about लिया है? E के about लिया है. Are you with me? Therefore, when I give a cut at C, I should draw the free body diagram of left hand side part where RA and alpha will pop in. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So let us draw the free body diagram of uh, left hand side. So let me call it as RE. That will be easy to address later. So let us call it as RE itself. Now, so A, B and C. So I show that A, B and C. This is A, this is B and this is C. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So what is the force acting at A? It is RA at an angle alpha with horizontal. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So this is RA at an angle alpha. At B, you have 300-pound load acting downwards. Happy?
Yes.
At C, you have 200-pound load acting downwards. And we have given the cut just right hand side of C. So this much portion of string CD must be applying pull over C. Do you agree with me? And that pull, I am
Yes.
going to write it as tension in string CD. Happy?
Yes.
Now tell me, is tension in string CD known? No, that is unknown. Therefore, we are going to introduce one more unknown. That's what you may feel. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
But look at the way we are handling this unknown. This is called as this point is C, and what is the distance between A and C, that distance is not
16.
given. That distance is not given. Do you agree with me? Distance between A and C is not directly given, but we know the value of DC. How much is DC? DC is 8 feet. This is 8. Out of that, this 6 feet is gone. So we get the distance of C from A. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So this distance is 2 feet. ये जो horizontal distance रहने वाला है between A and C, this distance is 2 feet. Tell me if you have understood. Otherwise, I will repeat. See, distance DC is 8 feet. Out of that, distance between A and this level is 6 feet. So therefore, vertical distance between A and C is 2 feet. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
And what is the horizontal distance between A and C? Tell me. Horizontal distance between A and C is 16 feet.
16.
So I will mark that as 16 here. Happy? This completes the free body diagram of portion ABC. Happy?
Yes, sir.
As the entire cable is in equilibrium, therefore this portion also must be in equilibrium, and therefore we can apply equations of equilibrium to this portion as well. उसमें से कौन सा इक्वेशन हम यूज करने वाले? हमें एक ही एडिशनल इक्वेशन चाहिए, and that additional equation should not involve TCD. So what equation should I use? Tell me.
Moment about C.
Yes. So summation of moment about C, moments of all the forces about C equal to 0, will ensure that TCD does not pop in the equation, but at the same time, RA and alpha will be involved. So we get one additional equation to these three equations. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So apply this equation systematically now. What is the distance between B and C? Distance between B and C, horizontal distance is 8 feet. Are you with me? So what
Yes,
is
sir.
the moment of this 300 pound about C? It is 300 multiplied by 8. Happy?
Yes, sir.
And what is its sense?
Plus.
Anti-clockwise. Plus. So plus 300 into 8. Now this array I am going to have two components. One component is horizontal RA cos alpha. Another component is vertical RA sin alpha. Can you tell me moment of RA cos alpha about C?
Plus RA cos alpha into 2.
Yes, because it produces anti-clockwise moment. So into 2. Now, what is the moment of RA sin alpha?
Minus RA sin alpha into 16.
Minus RA sin alpha into 16. Happy?
Yes, sir.
And what is the moment of 200 pound at C?
0.
Nothing, because its line of action passes through C. What is moment of TCD? 0, because its line of action passes through C. So are we done with all the moments? Yes. So this has to be equal to 0. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So what is the equation that you get? 16 times RA sin alpha. Happy? Minus 16 times RA sin alpha plus 2 times RA cos alpha. Happy?
Yes, sir.
Has to be equal to 0. This is equation number 4. Now, if you look at equation number 4 and 1 can be solved. कैसे? तो ये equation number 1 मैं फिर से यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ. What is equation number 1? Can I rewrite this equation number 1? Yes, it is RA 32 times RA sin alpha. 32 times RA sin alpha. Are you with me?
Sir, actually, I'm stuck at one point. Means maybe connectivity issue.
Okay, so just do one thing. Just log off the meeting and again log in. So you should be able to get that, I guess.
Okay, sir.
Or let us wait. I will stop sharing and I will reshare. Now, are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you able to see equation number 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are rearranging equation number 1, 32 RA sin alpha. Are you with me? This
Yes,
will
sir.
go on right hand side and will become positive. And 6 RA cos alpha, it will go on right hand side and it will become positive. Happy? Happy?
Yes, sir.
Namaskar. Are you able to see this now? There is no issue, right?
Yes, sir.
Only the first equation
In
में हमने गड़बड़ किया है. ये 300 into 8 was not considered. So that is minus 300 into 8 is 2400. That goes on other side and it becomes minus 2400. Am I right?
yes, sir.
You were pointing out that only?
Yes, sir.
So that's correct. And now what about the first equation? So tell me how much is 300 into 24 plus 200 into 16 plus 300 into 8? How much is that?
$12,200.
So this is equal to 12,200. Are you with me? This I will call it as equation number 1. This is equation number 1 itself, but written in the modified form. Happy?
Sir, it is 12,800.
Okay, no problem. 12,800. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, you can treat RA sin alpha as one unknown and RA cos alpha as another unknown. So can you solve these two simultaneous equations? And can you tell me what is the value of RA sin alpha and RA cos alpha? So we will just find out alpha and RA and then we will stop for the day. So RA sin alpha and RA cos alpha. Calculator है ना आपके पास?
Yes, sir.
Muskan? Yeah. So treat RA sin alpha as one unknown and RA cos alpha as another unknown. So you have two equations in two unknowns. Solve for them. Tell me these values.
RA cost
Huh?
is
Yeah.
800.
800 pounds. Okay. And RA sin alpha is
Just a minute, sir. $250.
250 pound, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh. So now again same trick. If we take the ratio, you get tan alpha as 250 upon 800. So tell me how much is alpha?
17.35.
17.35 degree.
35.
Are you sure? 17.35. Okay. And what is the value of RA then?
RA. 838.34.
838.34 pounds, and as it has
Pounds.
turned out to be positive, therefore it is at an angle alpha with the horizontal in this fashion. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So have we determined reaction at A? Yes. Now how do we determine reaction at E? That part we will solve tomorrow, and then we will solve these two problems that will conclude our session on cables. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This time we will take few extra lectures. Uh, I will announce the schedule. I think Saturday you don't have a timetable. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So Saturday is free. So let me announce the extra lecture on Saturday for some time. We have to catch up. Your term end is approaching fast, so we will have few extra lectures during these 2 weeks. So with this, we stop here. If anyone has any doubt, please let me know. If not, then you can type your name and roll number in chat box, and then you can leave the meeting.